So I am Dhanu Mata. Basically, we are dealing into intellectual property. So we are the law firm, and it is established in 1981. So I am third generation lawyer to the family. So the thing is, and we have we have a customer base of around 1 lakh companies, and it was a task for us to implement a CRM. So it came into our mind when the lockdown occurs. So at the time of lockdown, when everything was shut, so सबको ये था कि अब काम कैसे चलेगा. And we are as a law firm, हमारे लिए बहुत ही difficult task था उस time पे कि सब लोग घर पर हैं, काम हो नहीं पा रहा है, तो कैसे काम होगा आगे. उस time पे it just got triggered in my mind like we should also look after some tools which can also give us a push start, so that even after like we are sitting at the home and then we can implement such thing which can help us out. And by the way of sitting at home we can implement the things and everything should get go over, like the things get done. We wanted that type of setup, so I started looking on the internet. So first I come across the HubSpot CRM. I didn't know before like what CRM is. So in the lockdown I got to know there is something called CRM. So with that, like anyone can sitting at the home and they can implement and they can do work at their place and like that. So from HubSpot I didn't get that convinced. So after that my dad gave me the contact of NG CRM. So I'll start with the features of the CRM that we are using. So as of now we have not shifted yet to the Sangam CRM. We are planning with that. So it was a big task for us to implement that, because like we have 1 lakh database of client base, and we are using around 60 CRMs, 60 users. So with the beginning we faced a lot of issues when we tried to implement it. The thing is, हमारे काम में ऐसा होता है कि there are multiple of files और एक चीज नहीं है, there are many things like we provide service related to trademark registration, copyright, designs. So it's a long process for filing and trademark, and to tell till the time it gets registered, it's take around 1.5 years. There are so many objections in between. There are hearings. So we need to manage everything. So everything we were doing was a manual part. Like everything was manual. But after we implemented CRM, everything was shifting to the automatic part. As of now, I can say like we are 70% automated now, but 30% still pending. Starting May, I was the first person. Like I started on my own. I implemented like I was in a hurry. I was like I want to implement everything at once. So I made 5 modules, or I don't remember exactly, 5 or 4 modules at once. So I was like, it's not happening, because मैनुअल फाइल में कुछ और था, ऑटोमेटिक में कुछ और था. हम एंड में रिपोर्ट चेक करते थे, जो मैनुअल फाइलिंग है वो ज्यादा थी, और जो सीआरएम के अंदर लॉग थी वो कम थी, तो वो प्रॉपरली मैच नहीं हो रहा था. फिर आई हैड अ वर्ड विद लिमेश सर, तो लिमेश सर कन्विंस्ड मी. ही हैड अ टॉक 1.5 hour and he's like, no, it will be done, don't worry, don't worry. Then I hired a very good HR with me, she's Prachi. So with the help of her we started implemented it again. So we उसके बाद हमने एक एक फील्ड को, मॉड्यूल को पकड़ा, और उसके ऊपर हमने चेक किया एक एक चीज को कि ये फील्ड यहाँ से, मतलब हमारे बहुत प्रोसेस होते हैं कि यहाँ से फाइल गई इस बंदे के पास, वहां से उसके बाद हमने फ्लो चार्ट्स बनाने शुरू किए. फ्लो चार्ट से हमने देखा कि हाँ इसने अपना काम किया, अगले बंदे के पास फाइल गई, उसने काम किया, थर्ड बंदे के पास फाइल गई. तो till the end we have created it step by step. We have changed all the modules with the help of that. The challenges we faced, it all, like with the period of time, my team also get to used to it, and now they are also able to doing it well. पहले तो बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट हो गया था सबको कि ये क्या आ गया, नई चीज आ गई, ये तो हो ही नहीं पा रहा है. बट विद द टाइम, like it's been around 1 year now, like everyone is using it, even though they are telling me, sir, this feature is also there, like we can do this also, even this is visible. So that thing is also there. Then I'll come up to the how I overcome the challenges that I already told. Like with the help of the flowcharts, I'll suggest whoever is facing issues in implementing the CRM, they should make a chart, like the flow charts, like from what they want, exactly want, from where they want to start and what's their endpoint, like how they want the file to move. So basically, Limesh sir in the beginning told that the marketing and the but marketing thing and the managing thing, but our main focus on the CRM which we are using as the managing part, because sales we are already handling. We had a backup marketing team and the main front marketing team. So the main marketing team is handling all the, they're doing their job best, but whatever is left and they are not able to do, that backend team is doing with the help of the CRM. So basically हमारी last dates होती हैं हर चीज की. जैसे कोई भी चीज हमने करना है एट अ टाइम बाउंड प्रोसेस, तो हमको लास्ट डेट से पहले खत्म करना है, तो उसको हमारे को वहां पे आ जाता है कि हाँ लास्ट डेट इतनी इतनी है, इसका फॉलोअप चल रहा है, इतना इसका रह गया है। सो एवरीथिंग इज इन नॉलेज एंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस। मतलब पहले हमें पता नहीं चलता था, जैसे अराउंड हमारी जो फाइलिंग जो काम है बल्क में है, पहले ऐसा होता था फाइलिंग है 2000 फाइल्स की चल रही है, इन प्रोसेस चल रही है, पता ही नहीं है, मतलब पता करना था कितनी फाइल कितने केस फाइल होने हैं, अच्छा 100 केस पेंडिंग में है, क्यों पेंडिंग में है, तो हम पुराना सॉफ्टवेयर जो यूज करते थे वहां से लिस्ट निकालते थे, उसको चेक करते थे, अच्छा इसमें 100 केसेस हमारे फाइलिंग, हमको ये नहीं पता होता था किस रीजन से रुके हुए हैं, कहाँ रुके हुए हैं। सो अब नाउ वी नो एवरीथिंग, लाइक व्हाई दे आर स्टॉप, किसके पास किस यूजर के पास रुके हुए हैं, व्हाट इज द रीजन कि क्या चीज पेंडिंग है, उस वजह से रुका हुआ है। और इवन दो क्लाइंट इज आल्सो रिसीविंग द एसएमएस एंड ईमेल दैट देयर फाइल इज बीइंग स्टॉप बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीजन, and there is a proper follow up on that, like the team is calling to them and asking, and there is a complete follow up again and again, and they're asking for the things, so the client is also impressed, they know, yeah, that they are working, and this is possible only because of the CRM we are using right now. So thanks to NJ CRM for that. Yeah, and we are also using the telephony. We just implemented it 10 days back. So now उसका भी हमारे को बहुत benefit है. Like on an average day we have around 5 to 600 callings. So my जो टीम है, टीम की 506 कॉलिंग हमारी हो ही रही है, 600 कॉलिंग्स डेली बेसिस पे। तो अब हमारे पास हर एक कॉलिंग का बैकअप है। Like I already told कि the work we are doing is the time bound. Like there's the last date, so before last date we have to file, otherwise the case will get refused or the abandoned. So before that we need to finish the work. So in some cases what happens is there is a lacking from the client's end. The client is not giving us the forms which we need to submit it. So if they'll not give us to us on the time, then how we will able to submit it in the to the government. So when the file get refused, they come after us like you didn't call us, you didn't tell us. So now we have a track of everything, like we have called you this many times, we have sent you SMS this many times, we have a call recording also, so we have asked for this document which you have not given to us. So it's not our owners, that it's your owners, the file get refused. So that's a very good point we have, this helped us in that. And still I'll say that we have not fully achieved the goal which we are looking for, but there are many other things which we have to still we have to implement. Like we have made around 8-9 modules, no, I guess there are more than that, but still 4-5 modules are still pending on our end, which we are looking after for that. So once we are looking for the integrations, because our type of business is very complex, and like we are not only using only the NG CRM, we are using multiple softwares. So we are integrating every software with each other. Like the ERP system, we are extracting data from one software and we are pushing that to the CRM, so that we are kind of generating the machine, making the machine, so that everything can come from one end to go to the another end. So yeah, that's all I want to say. It's a very good software we are using, and I'll say to everyone that yeah, these guys and the Surya ma'am and Jinal ma'am, they're a very good team. Kuch bhi koi problem ho, so they are always at the back end. Whenever we need their help, they will okay sir, give us a time. Okay, 5 minutes, I'll call you back, and they are there. So yeah, very good team for that.